Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making slime blindfolded with my friend Mia. She's right here. And we did a test before we filmed the video on if we could do it, and we actually did. We made pretty good slimes, except for my color. I mixed red and green.
I got red and blue. I mean, red and yellow.
Okay, we'll put them right here. And we'll put our blindfold on and get started. Okay. Okay, so, yeah. And so, we're gonna take off our blindfolds for the meeting and stuff.
So we don't get it all over the place. Okay, let's start the challenge.
I go first. Oh my god. Wait, no, that's the one. What is happening? What's this spell?
I don't know.
Where's the glue? Oh, it's right here. I have it.
Okay.
Can you give Where's my bowl?
I don't know.
Where the heck is my bowl?
This is my bowl.
I'm just gonna...
Do you have your blindfold on or no?
Where's your bowl?
Oh, it's over here. I'm sorry, there were some technical difficulties.
Is some going in?
Yeah. I don't know. Give me the gallon of glue.
Okay. Food coloring.
Watch out. I can't see my bowl.
I'm trying to get food coloring.
I'm trying to pour glue into my bowl. I don't know how much I'm pouring.
I'll just add this in.
I can't see my bowl. Where did I put this?
Where's my stick? Oh, it's right
my
here.
sticks, I think, oh, I found it. Where's the food coloring? Okay, these are the two colors I'm going to be doing. No, wait. I want this
No,
one.
we're only doing one, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, detergent.
I don't know what color this is. This tickles my eyeballs.
I know, me too.
Where's the laundry detergent?
Do you have it?
Yeah.
Where's the stick?
My stick's right here.
I'm like losing it.
Did I even add any in?
I don't know.
Where even is the thing?
I'm moving.
Do you have your blindfold off?
No, not yet. Why did I should have fixed them.
Oh.
I guess I got green. I won't tell you what color you got.
What?
I won't tell you what color you got, and this is so hard to tap.
Okay. Okay, can you take it off now? I'm kneading it.
You got blue. I got green.
Whoa, mine's like really weird.
Mine's perfect. Mine turned out awesome.
Is that your last one?
That one I had before. Ew, mine's like... Oh, there's a ton of activators there.
I need a microwave.
No, there's...
You can microwave mine. I'm gonna take mine to the microwave.
Mine's perfect. This was a complete success for me.
It's a complete success for me.
It's very clicky too.
Here's some. Let me wash my hands.
Okay. I only made this in like 3 minutes.
Mine's in the microwave.
And I did it blindfolded. I'm awesome at this. The first one that I made was really bad, so I had to put it into the microwave, but it still turned out good after and stuff. So yeah. I'm gonna swirl this.
Well, mine doesn't need to sit in there for like a minute or so. I'm just getting out of there. I just need to wash my hands and dry it off.
Mine turned out so good.
Mine didn't. Is it still filming?
Why are you microwaving it for like 2 minutes?
What?
Stop, you microwaved it for like 2 minutes.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I just started microwaving at 1:30, 1:50.
What time is it? It's only 10 in the morning. We woke up like at 7 something.
I woke up at 7 something. You woke up at 7:59.
No, it was 7:30. And we went to bed like at 1 in the morning.
At 11 o'clock.
She slept over last night. Couldn't probably tell.
Olivia, I need your help.
With what?
I need you to take this slime because I need to jump out the juice.
I'm gonna pause the video.
Okay.
And we're back, microwaving my slime. Hers was microwaving. Hers was disgusting. It was like awful.
Let me just microwave it more. My bowl's like
Mine was totally with yours. This was her first one. Her first one is also really good, but it ended up, when she first made it, it was really bad. But then we put it into the microwave and it turned out good.
Yeah. This is my slime.
It's really nice. Super, kind of clicky, I think. And here's my first one, and here's my second one.
My second one's in the microwave because it's like, oh.
Everybody say cheese.
The bottom burns my hands, the top isn't.
Can I play with it? Let's bring it to the camera.
Okay. Okay, so after like 2 minutes of microwaving, just kidding. It was like only like a minute or so.
Ooh, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot.
You're not kidding. Okay, let's go. This is gonna sink my thing. Is yours clean?
No.
I'm gonna throw this stuff away. Okay.
You can bring this home.
Okay.
Okay, well, please like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below some video ideas.